We are in the big troubles. Maybe right now we are at the peak, and this is the last time for you to escape. So watch this video if you have any US stock. Welcome to my channel. Click like right now. This is only for education. Now we look at Nasdaq. Before I told you if this this blue line, this blue line is why I'm cheap long. So if this blue line turning downward, this means they are continue to go downward. And my previous few video, I told you is the June actually is the last point to escape from the market and they will continue to drop. It's likely they will do this because 2 month chart we have a problem and monthly chart and weekly chart you can also see we are having some troubles. Why? Because first thing we are at the relatively high. And second thing is we actually the yellow already disappeared if you look at this weekly chart. So when you look at this, we already under this red line and you see the money actually they are leaving the market. Okay, so weekly chart you can see clearly. And this drop is if they happen, either they do sideways like this or they drop for a couple of months, maybe 4 months. Why? Because 2 month chart, basically we have some special signal. You look at here. I'm not going to repeat. I want to post it as soon as possible so you can take your action. Okay, so this is daily chart first. Now we are using this purple line as a support. If this one cannot go up above zero, or we don't have any red candle to come above this line to turn it upward, basically we are in the deep trouble because money actually they're leaving the market. Look at the big volume trader. They're tending to sell. The red is to sell. The green is to buy and below zero is weak, and you can see this is weak. Okay, and is it possible that we bounce first? Yes, but I want to give you a big picture. Okay, the first thing is the red line is turning downward. We are just using staying inside this small gap area. Okay, but I'm going to draw you the line here to tell you what is going on here. So basically we are inside one zone, so you can use this like this. You can draw it yourself, but I want to give you the idea what is going on now. So basically, we are kind of inside this triangle. Is it possible that we bounce? Yes, I don't know. But the red, we are still under. Okay, and now the red become the resistance. We drop below the red, and the red they go touch the red line, and now they come back down. So I don't know they will drop below this or they go up. We bounce. I have no idea to be honest. But I mean, basically, we are kind of at the edge. So first thing, if you want to add your position, be careful. Look at your stock. Is it good time to buy? Not all of the stock like this, but most of the stock like this. Okay, because this is the index. When index have a problem, most of the stock have a problem. Okay, and this is the resistance. This is the resistance. Okay, so it's quite clear that we actually having some kind of trouble. We're staying under the resistance for a while already, not yet going back. But the good thing is we have a higher low, okay? But we need to create a higher high to confirm this is going upward again. Okay, if you have my indicator, just look at the blue line. That's easy. Okay, if the blue line turn up, it's good. Now we're getting flat. This is a problem. They will do sideways first. Okay, so be careful for Nasdaq. And the other thing for S&P 500, is it the same? I want to show you. Basically, we are pretty much the same. And this one actually is even a bit weaker than the Nasdaq. If you look at the triangle zone, basically this one did not even touch the, you see, they have a gap here. Okay, they kind of like this. They have a gap here, so be careful. It means it's quite a strong uh resistance there. Okay, so and we have high volume here. It means if we look here, okay, and they never go above this high volume candle again. Okay, so now look at this high volume. This is weak. This is below zero. And look at the S&P 500. Look at the YM chippers. It can tell you clearly, basically from this day, basically here, right? You see they changed the direction from this day, from 4th of June. So they're going downward since then. Okay, they did not change upward. They did not change upward. This five candle is strong. They're trying, but not really strong enough. Look at the money. Is this money, the big volume is not really buying that much. It's not strong. That's why they continue to drop down. The money is leaving actually. Okay. So next that the range that the strength is a bit stronger than S&P 500. Okay, so and another thing, I just want to repeat, even this one go up, even S&P or Nasdaq go up, this is still a rebound. Why? Because we're under the blue turning downward. This one can see this one is turning downward already here. So it's very clear. So I want you guys to be a bit careful and remember from now to next week, or hopefully they don't drop below this purple line. Otherwise, we will continue to drop a bit longer. Okay. I told you the longer, I mean 3 to 4 months. If we look at monthly chart, look at the big buy, and big buy, the big volume, they're already going downward for a while. But I want you to trade with the signal. The signal here, okay? If the yellow disappear and they drop below the red line, this is the signal to tell you, hey, leave, okay? Because now you're at the high. You're not at the bottom. This is quite strong risk. If they going down to pull back, it's likely they do like this. Likely they do like this. And they would here they do almost 4 months, right? And here they do 3 months. So maybe they do 3 to 4 months, okay? So I just want to give you a bit head up about the next July, what is going on. Even rebounds, they will have so many traps to attract you to buy the stock. But watch this video again and think about this. Is it really your stock at the low? Even at the low, you need to be careful. Are they strong enough? Are they going to create another low? So if you do first, if you really need to buy something, you buy my indicator. Number two, you don't buy with 100% all in, okay? Unless this one change, unless they can create, if you don't have my indicator, if they create a high, fine, good, okay? They create high, then this one is fine. And then they need to go above this high also, the all-time high here. And if you have my indicator, just look at the blue direction. If the blue direction is going downward, forget, because this is the sell signal. This is a buy signal. This is a sell signal. Is it clear? It's very clear. The money going in, money going in, money going up, the curve going up, the blue going up. Now the blue going okay, I'm about to go down and money already down. So you need to be careful because money always, the very easy indicator to always go first, actually, go before the trend. So follow the money, okay? So see you next video. Click like right now. If you like my indicator, you can you can buy the subscription. And if you like this video, you can also give me a tips by buying me a coffee in the link below. And I see you next video. Bye bye.